I broke the #1 rule when it comes to bleaching your hair. Pause the video and let me know down below right now, what do you think I did completely wrong to make my hair look like this? Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host, Pinky, and today you're going to see me jack my hair up. If you would like to see more, then just stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, and follow me on social media. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Now, I'm going to let this video run through like how I would normally let it run through because, I recorded this thinking that, it was going to have a good outcome. I normally do. So just showing you all the things that I used this time around. I want to know, have you seen what the problem is yet? Because it's reared its ugly head already. Here I am thinking, normal mixture. I've done this before. Actually, I did this exact same thing in my last video. But there's one glaring problem. Look at what I'm mixing with. Are you kidding me, Pinky? Are you kidding me? That's the #1 rule when it comes to bleach. You never use any metal instruments. When I saw this instrument in Sally, I was like, oh, this is going to be so good for when I mix all my mixtures up. It's going to mix it so easily and evenly. Idiot. Look how stupid I look. When I was mixing this thing up, I knew it was all wrong because the consistency wasn't as thick as it normally would be. So I'm sitting up here adding more and more and more powder thinking that would help, and it just never did. Not knowing, Pinky, this piece of metal is reacting to the chemicals inside of here. But instead of questioning why it was so thin, I applied this concoction to my hair anyway, like a fool. Like a fool, y'all. By the time I was done with my whole head, I knew something was wrong because usually by the time I get done with the back, the front has already pretty much changed to the color of the rest of my hair. And it was only like this brown color. So I definitely knew something was wrong. Then you could see it all over my face. And here we are back to the opening video where I showed you my hair is completely jacked up. But instead of realizing where I went wrong, I completely thought it was the products I was using. Because I was using ion products, I thought those products went haywire. I'm going off. I'm never going to use these products again. Like, I completely went in on ion products. Y'all, I was mad. And honestly, I was mad all the way up until I started editing this video and I saw exactly where I went wrong. I was prepared to go off again on this voiceover until I realized I have to go in on myself. I have to roast myself. I've been bleaching my hair for 5 years and I broke the #1 rule like an amateur. So y'all, learn from me. Do not ever use a metal instrument when mixing any type of bleach because it will jack it up. It's not a myth. It's so true. It happened to me. At this point, I'm not going to be wearing my hair. I'm going to actually be doing protective styles for the next month or so. So you can expect those videos until I can get my hair back on track. So yeah.
I was rooting for you. We were all rooting for you. How dare you? Learn something from this.